Voiceover, attention car enthusiasts. Pixel is excited to present our latest offering, the 2022 Land Rover Discovery 3.0 SD6 SE Commerce. This powerful and stylish vehicle is awaiting its new owner. Voiceover. With its sleek black exterior and impressive 3.0-liter engine, the Land Rover Discovery guarantees an incredible driving experience. And best of all, it runs on efficient diesel fuel, saving you money on those long drives. Voiceover. Safety is paramount, and this Land Rover doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with an array of features, such as ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and trailer stability control, ensuring your peace of mind throughout your journeys. Voiceover. Let's not forget about the comfort and convenience. Picture yourself in the luxurious cabin, complete with air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and even smart card entry. It's truly a haven on wheels. Voiceover. Worried about maintenance costs? Fear not. Our Land Rover Discovery undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, and it's meticulously serviced to meet manufacturer specifications. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty for added reassurance. Voiceover. Ready to experience the Land Rover difference? Visit our website at pxl.com or give us a call to learn